Hi everybody, it's Julia, your trusted travel expert, coming to you from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm here with a representation, Christy, from Virgin Voyages, which is this really amazing product that I've just learned about today, and I wanted to tell you all about it. If you've followed me at all, you know I'm not a big cruiser. I'm sort of anti-cruising, I don't like the whole idea, but with Virgin coming out, obviously Virgin is such an amazing brand. I still remember the first Virgin mega store I ever went to, and Richard Branson, you know, he knows what's up. So I had to come and learn about the product, but I don't want to just tell you about it. I mean, it's going to be really cool. It's starting off with 4 and 5 night cruises out of Miami, but they're not your typical Caribbean cruises. They go to Cuba, right?
Correct.
You go overnight in Cuba?
Yep, so we do true overnights in Havana, which will be really exciting. So
Yeah.
you get to really experience the nightlife and the culture.
Mm-hmm. So all those people that have been thinking about going to Cuba but aren't really sure, Virgin could be a really cool option.
Yes.
The other thing that you guys have is this club in Bimini.
Yeah, so our beach club in Bimini, that's featured on all our itineraries. So after you get your culture in Havana, you then still get that beach lifestyle, and it is exclusive to Virgin Voyages. So it's very yacht-like and amazing. You'll actually spend a full day there, arriving at 9 a.m., leaving at 10 p.m. Lots of entertainment and food, pools, a lot of good atmosphere and things like that.
Well, it's Virgin.
It's Virgin, so
right?
Expect the unexpected. Absolutely.
And also, it's like all about being a rock star.
Yes.
So, like, I guess maybe what are 2 main things that make you guys different from a normal 4-day Caribbean cruise, besides the cool itineraries? But
yeah. So like you, Richard Branson also is not a huge cruiser, which is how this product came to be. And we are attracting those that maybe thought cruising wasn't really cool, and this product will kind of get you to see in a really fun and stylish way. So number 1, we're adults by design, meaning no kiddos, so we will be...
Sorry, families!
Yes, we love the kiddos. This is more so when mom and dad need a break, which is totally fine. So that's really unique to us in this industry, is that you'll be 21 to book and 18 to sail, so it really is designed where we can be edgy and embrace our brand and have a lot of fun on board, and give you a lot of different options. And then really kind of taking the traditional cruise rule book and throwing it out the window. So same with our dining. You'll find all high-end specialty restaurants that are all included in your fare.
I was amazed.
Yes.
Like in this presentation we just had, I mean, there were like 7 or 8 different really cool sounding restaurants.
Yes.
We're not talking a buffet, like...
No buffets. They don't exist on board, so all your buffet fears are gone. And for us, we didn't want to nickel and dime you, so a lot more is included. Your Wi-Fi, your basic bevies, your eateries, group fitness classes, gratuities, which is number 1. Like, no one wants to do math when they're sailing, so we'll take care of it for you. So it's definitely a way to give us a try, and the most stylish way I think you could get to Havana. So
Perfect.
Check us out.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for taking the time to chat. And if you have any questions, obviously give me a call. I'm still learning, it's still new.
She's an
but
expert.
But it is on sale starting for sailings next April of 2020. So you've still got plenty of time, but if you want in on the skinny, let me know. And I'll talk to you next week. Bye.
Bye.